Most tire shops still think customers will always call. But here's the problem. Customers don't wait anymore. If they can order food, book taxis, and reserve hotels in seconds, what happens when your tire shop still says, "Call us for a price"? They move on. Quietly. And straight to a competitor. In this episode, we're breaking down why tire shops must adapt to online booking right now, what's changing in customer behavior, and the biggest mistake many businesses are making without even realizing it. Stick around, because one small shift could decide who grows and who gets left behind. For years, tire shops relied on phone calls, walk-ins, and manual quotes. And honestly, that worked. Customers would ring up, ask for prices, compare options, and book when convenient. But customer expectations have changed fast. Think about your own habits for a second. When was the last time you wanted to call 5 different businesses just to compare prices? Most people don't. They want speed, convenience, instant answers. And this is where most tire shops mess up. They assume customers will put in the effort. But customers are asking a different question now. How quickly can I get this sorted? That shift matters more than people realize. Today, customers book almost everything online. Taxis, food, appointments, hotels, tires are heading the same way. People want to browse options quickly, compare prices, choose what works for them, and move on with their day. Now imagine this scenario. Someone gets a puncture or realizes their tires need replacing. They search online. One tire shop says, "Call us for pricing." Another lets them see tire options, choose fitting, and book instantly. Who do you think wins? Exactly. The easier business almost always gets the customer. Here's something no one talks about enough. "Call us for a price" creates friction. Customers don't want to call multiple garages. They don't want to wait for callbacks or message around checking stock availability. They want quick answers, clear pricing, fast booking, and businesses that remove friction are usually the ones that grow faster. Quick question for you. If your tire shop disappeared from Google tomorrow, would customers still easily find and book with you? Or are you relying too heavily on old habits? Be honest, because the market is shifting whether businesses are ready or not. Now, online booking is not just about convenience for customers. It also makes life easier for tire shops. Think about how much time gets wasted answering repetitive calls. What tires do you have? How much will it cost? What times are available? An online booking system can reduce wasted phone time, organize jobs better, capture customers faster, and even improve conversion rates. Instead of losing leads while staff are busy, customers can book instantly. That's a big difference. But don't skip this part, because this is where many businesses fall behind. Some tire shops still say, "We'll sort online stuff later." Sounds harmless, right? But later can become too late. Especially when younger customers already expect digital convenience, and younger buyers are becoming the biggest customer group. If your business feels difficult to access online, many people simply won't bother. Not because your service is bad, because someone else made things easier. We're already seeing the rise of connected tire platforms where customers can choose tires online, select fitting options, and book quickly. This creates huge opportunities for businesses willing to adapt early. At TyreRoom, the belief is simple. The future of the tire industry is about more than stock. It's about connection. That's one reason TyreRoom Direct was built to help connect customers with tire businesses through local fitting centers, mobile fitters, and delivery options. Because the businesses that adapt early usually end up in the strongest position long term. So here's the big takeaway. Customer behavior has changed. Convenience matters more than ever. Call us for a price is becoming harder to justify. And the tire shops that make booking simple, fast, and easy are the ones most likely to stay ahead. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think tire shops are adapting fast enough, or are too many waiting too long? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if practical tire business insights like this help you think ahead, subscribe for more clear, no-fluff ideas to help your business stay competitive in a changing market. Stay stocked, stay connected. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages. Trusted by traders.